Alright, let's see if this works. So, this is liver of sulfur. Be glad that there's no such thing as smell-o-vision, because it smells exactly like you would think something with the name liver of sulfur would smell. And there's two ways to use it. One, you can heat up your piece of metal and drop it into the liquid liver of sulfur, and that will cause it to work. But that coats the entire item, which I don't want to do. The other option is to make this very, very hot and then just sort of paint it on the spot that you want the liver of sulfur. It doesn't work quite as well, but you have to clean up way less if you only want a certain spot. So I'm going to do that. This water is like super boiling. Ow. And oh yeah, now it really, really smells. It's gonna bubble and fizz and make really nasty both smells and colors as it dissolves in there. And I'm not going to let all of it dissolve just because I want to make sure that it stays super hot. And then I'm going to grab a paper towel because no matter how careful I am, I'm going to make a mess. I've got a Q-tip here, and put a little bit of this on the Q-tip. Let's see if we can get this in the right spot here. I'm just going to paint this into the back of the ring here. Sort of work it into the engraving that I did there. And as you can see, it is turning the whole back of this, inside back of this ring. Not quite black, it's a little bit green, a little bit brown, a little bit blue. It's, again, kind of gross. And then wipe that off, and now it's nice blue. And then I'll end up probably doing some polish on this on the wheel as well, because I'm guessing that it's going to take really, really well and not want to give up on the high parts. But let's see if I can give you an idea of how it's going to look when it's done. Get that in there, see if I can get the camera to focus, which I don't think I can. Oh, almost. So this ring is fused silver. It's a continuum sterling silver, so it's harder than standard sterling. It'll stay a brighter white longer, and then it's set with four little tube set 2mm diamonds, which are nice and sparkly. And I'm going to go back to polishing that and getting the rest of the liver of sulfur on and putting a lid on this because I don't want to smell that anymore.